Alright guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Ayan, so here guys, I'm showing you my room, our room, and my baby crib out there and my stuff. So today I'm actually going to rearrange or put it away all this baby stuff and get ready before my baby comes. So I guess this is what you call it, nesting. So right now I'm actually washing my baby clothes, so I'm gonna show you guys later once they're all done and how to put them away and stuff. So for now I'm showing you our room. So these are other stuff that I need to repack or put it away. Some of them are still baby clothes. I have some bath towels for the baby, and after you give a bath, you give them a bath. So I'm gonna wash all these cloths. This one is a baby crib cover, so I'm gonna do this and wash it next, and then later we're gonna put those away. So I can hear my washer is done. So this is gonna be the next one, next load. So I wanted to wash them before I put them on the crib. Put it on the dresser. I like this, comes with the bag. So I'm gonna try to fit this on the crib first before I wash it to make sure that it's the right size. So this is the cover, the mattress cover. So I'm gonna fit that one. Okay, let's try to fit this on. Is a bed protector or crib protector mattress. So we're gonna try to put this on too before I washed it. So guys, and I have another adjustable swaddles. I actually got a lot of swaddles already on my baby shower party. So this is another set of baby clothes from 0 to 3 months. So I have a bunch already that I washed. This is the cute pair of clothes for a baby photo shoot later on. So I'm gonna wash it also. So guys, I just want to show you this thing. So these are my warmer bottles for sterilize. I mean, you can sterilize the baby bottles there. And these are my extra bottles, baby bottles with pacifier in it. And I had the humidifier here, brand new, all this brand new. And I got this hatch rest sound machine with a night light and time to rise. So this one is an extra. You can hang it in the car seat or while you're in the car. So I also have organizer here. I have to open later. So this one is a hamper, brand new hamper. That one's a brand new trash, diaper, trail, whatever, trash, crib. Mommy's hospital bag is there and diaper bag there. I still have a lot to do today, so Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, flex ko lang ang ating humidifier. Ito. Humidifier na I got from Amazon. All of these items on my registry, baby registry. My stuff from my baby stuff. Thanks. This is the hatch one. It comes with the music. This is the port one. Call it outlet. So you can check the monitor and monitor the baby's temperature, blood pressure. Then let's move on here on my organizer. This is where I'm gonna put all my baby clothes. Yan. May divider siya. So, yep. Almost there. Just gonna wash the rest of the clothes and put it away. I'll show you guys later. Bye-bye. Ito guys yung aking bottle warmer. Ayan. Ito mo ilalagay. Sterilizer actually siya. Sorry. Yung aking mga shower baby ducks. Again guys, ayan yung aking mga bottles. Baby bottles. Ayan, niliit niya. Isa lang yung malaki. So pag lumaki-laki na siya, this is what I'm gonna use. This one is like after you pump milk, you can pour it here. I don't know, it's like a measurement or something, but yeah, it comes with this one pack and this brush and the pacifier. Here's my baby clothes. I already washed them. Now what I need to do is put them on an organizer. So yep, here it goes, a bunch of clothes. Here you go guys, this is my baby stuff now. My crib, my hospital bag. Later on guys, I'm gonna show you what's in my hospital bag. I have a diaper bag ready, my baby crib. I just need to put this is the cover, it's the mattress, so soon I'll put them on. I already have the basket, diapers, stuff. Here's are my baby clothes. I rearranged it yesterday. Ta-da! Almost ready. So, yep, here you go. It still look like a little messy, but everything's about the baby are up there. I have some extra diapers down there. The rest are in the garage. So, yep. So these guys are some of my baby's toy swing. This is actually a carrier. He can use this later on when he gets a few months old. That's a swing right there. I haven't opened it. There's another swing there. And then this one is a warmer bottle right there. A friend of mine gave us two. All of this actually from my baby shower. And I still have a lot of stuff, which is the car seat and the stroller in the garage too, and some diapers there. So that's all.